骑上来，桑塔耶年哈松，咋能写能扛啥？在问人几陪你醉，下雨，拉你下雨。
Dedim goma zongo lagi shenga suba ushuto. Onsa kyam gyu chimbo chogi shapin senjip chei. Before we begin our program, we are going to have a long live prayer session for His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Shenga suba la. Isla. Today we celebrate the 86th birthday of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. So on this auspicious day, I on behalf of Tibetan community in Netherlands would like to welcome everybody and Tashi Deleng. Zerim Thongmar Delan Pege Kapchimbe Dilu Tangu Dang Diji Pau Kongo Uso Short Simbanam Dang Thanda Dujo Najo Nyonshin Beta Michedu Nyange Budu Nakche Kamachik Nangui, all to stand and sing the national anthem of Tibet and to observe 1 minute silence in honor of Tibetan freedom fighter. Na Thongmar Delan Ati Dilu Dang Chen Delo. Jina. Dijala Puri Tope Tokso Dalu Kalu Dawatsilane Debot and Dewi Sushi Nangu. Next we have welcome speech by the President of Tibetan Community in Netherlands, Mr. Kalu Dawatsilane.
Sangmala test dele Amatela Jinor Konsa Jamgon Yarwe Wango Kamji change Sekwa Chimbu Choge Kopar Tondo Rumbo Chola Kujang Mount Tami Kone and Tere Jarji Podon Lengo Kang Genji Aja Teri Chamba Chore Ane Triple Sapo Guruge Genji Aja Teri Chamba Chore Ane Triple Sapo Guruge Genji Rosemary ane kesi ngawa soba chota ane pore sobe jule namba ane sane pore pinda yola herin yaru muche ki thunga la ne samde test delek chugo yo pore sobe thachine ane herin ka jala da namba to mambo chi don de sha ti ti ne hakbar de la phe tenge de changma la samde tha ane thuje che shya yi and herin ka nga to chinol ko jamgo chembu chu gongchang Jai Chadula Pebeke, and the good Tunga Chade Yore. I think the Namchu Dachi Imana, Tangarato Yage, Toka Nanola, and Mama Mango, Duzum Nang with Tone, Tachi Tukro Tangare, and they go Tachivo, in the Tutuya to the Yogi or the Imanata, Long Momanes on the Jana, Mohani Chibeke, Togi Mirin, Pelatene, and then Mama Duzum with Tone, Tachi, they go Tachivo, and the Tukro Tangala, and they get Hokap the Meva. Tende cha de yore te de samba yibaina ta ngara so rawang longpala ane che ta khanda chejong la ma do be thone number drami ge thone ta khanda ngara so phobe che ge derem kha ge none kyamgur bo che ge thunga de ge chenbo chitse ne ane songji shyo ko ya de ane pe mi se ge chenbo cha de yore ane ta phona da chin ba na ngara so pore kuinda yongzo ge jawar bo che ge thunga de derem songji che ya ge Doba Yore, Zundichi, Chiage, Hachi Chegote, Ibaina, Janage, Doksu Shala, Check, Ramantan, maybe Tone, Zundichi to be a Mewa Chade Yore, Tanyajada Chimbana, Jana Shonge, Check, Marshu, Toko Wunyan, Roja, Tujan Zundichi, Gaga Tutu, Tujan Shujan Yore, Ibaina, Tapu Nanula, the big Nedan, Ram Major, Tater Jorum, Check Tongala. Jingsunzi Shua the Pasha, Jarum will take a 10,000 Motovia, can take a net on Chad Yore. Dang around the long Bala Yibaina, and take a Jango Chimbo, Gongchang Jutu so the Handa Padula, Dang around to Hobegi, Roju Nano, Hajang, Ya Chabi to Gadela, and the Jarum will take a Gachi Chess, and the Jarum will take a Sachi Chiwajita. Mewa around the Tamalo Chensere. He the Terry Nimodella and Message that Jarum Chege, Tachi Jeje Shuata, and the Jarum good Uni Teagitola, and Arato, the Dora Molandavia, the Chade Yore, Tainted some Tarashopa, Marato, Gashing also like Wuti Tone, and then Tatone, Mama, Nyamzum Tone, that Manas of Nangata, and then or Javi Shabrim Joria, Terichon Yore, and Tanda Ibana Angela, Javi Shabrim Joria, Tosnang Yore. All things is about it. I will take a kissing also for a topic and then Mamma Yola cutting chase. And Tanashi Jawaramuche Zamling Shede Santa Shingan Cheda, and then Arato, Obega Taton the Masi, Zamling Jig Shedeta, and then draw me reggae, and then draw me Putanta, and then Simjan Jig, they do Tola, Togo Lapuchi Shingan, and then challenge on and taking Buti, that change in Arato, you there was there. And then Marato Pumrege, Sonam, and then Marato City, and today Tugar, Marato Kundishia, you they were there. Only Marato take Zamlek mid Dula, Marato Popachi, Marato, only City Troll, only Kitchen and Sugar Yo, and Tawanashi, Tatansan, Zambulenka, check, Jawarabuche Lavina, and then pull the Tale Lama Lavina, and then pull Hako there, check, pull Rola Shat there, check down. And then Puda, Pume Lavaina, and the Tale Lama Marawa, and Tale Lama Lunga Rawa Layaki, and then Ratu there, Kandana to Pobege, Tonda Lamare, and take a touch with Chade Yore, and then Konga Tungar, something sure de ane ngana so logic to ni banare chapsi to ni banare an ta da shi che hope ge hodon thata to ni banare haja ge khe chim bo cha de yore an the to la nge da mangbu shu ma ko che tere nam si yaw ko madu ane ta khanda ma da dot de wa ina ane ngana so tere ni mo da la ka ka cho cho chi ya che ko sa ma yin ba ane tin no ko sa chang ko che bo chu ko sa yun de ya ge che da la ane zo ro mo lang de ya re an ta wa na shi jawar mu chi ge tho ko zho bya ane jawar mu chi gon shi ma chu bo che ya the so so ge ta ma khan sa re re ge ngo ne so so tham cha sha ya ge ni mo me se chi cha de yo re the du sa ma che ta ngana so sa ne la sho ko ya se da yo ma ta ngana so pho ba cha ma ya ko yo de yin ba na ge bo che la ne de ge chu de la ngana so the sa pho be chi so one chi ge 상해 승에 첨보래 안에 역성 사오래 대인도 사마 가라서 산에 고래 뭐마나 안에 제 밥랭 떼어서부터네 오늘 삼삼나로지 안에 야구치는 쇼로 나와서네 대는 메시지 보고 신경 줘서 안에 타 찌노코서 장공 여리왕부 탐지체인지 석과 첨보주 또在메시 가자 대신 통지 제공 타다 국민 회주도가 다 안에 보시시니 Johnny Newton, young again, and a trash more to you. Let's have a trash there.
Thank you, Mr. Dawatrimla. DJ La Gije Pudul Ligu Ginzi, Ajastrin Chamberlain in Function Nangu. Next, we have speech by Executive Director of International Campaign for Tibet, in Netherlands, Ajastrin Chamberlain. Hello, Krishnale. And I'm not going to hold a speech. Today is a day that we all should celebrate. It's a moment of celebration. My colleagues have spoken in Tibetan, but I would like to share something in English. And I would like to do this because as we see around here, so many international people walking around, and why today the Tibetan community, our supporters, are gathered here. Why we are here is to celebrate the 86th birthday of His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet. Why we celebrate his birthday, especially today? Of course, in any individual's life, the birthday is one of the most important. For all of us, we celebrate in different ways. But for us, Tibetans, and after 1950, after the invasion of Tibet by China, since then, this person who is called the Dalai Lama, the role that he has played to promote peace, promote compassion, promote harmony between people, regardless of their religion, creed, background, minority, whichever country they are from, it doesn't matter to him. And that is his message. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Tibetan community in the Netherlands to organize this afternoon an international campaign for Tibet, and Tibet Support Group will join with all our supporters. We celebrate the compassion, the message of harmony that Dalai Lama resonates all over the world. But today, we are very special area where most people do not know that because Dalai Lama is mostly associated with religion, compassion. But as you can see on this Dalai Lama's portrait, we see there are plants and animals drawn on this, which is very unusual. And I ask why we have today this special portrait with this nature climate. As the entire world faces the climate
crisis, very few knows the effort, unwavering efforts of Dalai Lama and his commitment to protect the climate and the planet. So in order to coincide with his 86th birthday, International Campaign for Tibet has launched a campaign to thank Dalai Lama for his unwavering efforts to protect our blue, beautiful planet. We have here cards being distributed. Please do sign. You can send this to your friends. And so today, this morning, we have sent thousands of Netherlanders who have joined in this initiative and sent to His Holiness Dalai Lama to India, Dharamsala, thanking him for his continued work to protect climate. Do remember the role of Tibet as the root of the world plays in protection of climate. So therefore, Dalai Lama's only message is to all of us, we are protecting this planet, not only for Tibetan people on the Tibetan plateau, but also to the entire world. So therefore, thank you so very much for joining us in this particular day to celebrate His Holiness' dedication and work to protect climate. Obviously, I would like to, as a Tibetan, thank His Holiness for his leadership. We know that since the invasion of Tibet, that he had faced enormous difficulties. Despite those difficulties, to this day, His Holiness continues to give us leadership that is based on compassion, harmony, loving to each other, which is so very important, and most of all, he gives us hope. He gives us hope to continue our struggle that one day Tibetan people living outside in exile will be united with our Tibetan brothers and sisters inside Tibet under the leadership of His Holiness Dalai Lama. To His Holiness, on behalf of all of us here, I also would like to commit that we will continue to support him in his unwavering efforts to promote non-violence, not only for his people, but also for the entire world. And with this, I would like to thank you. Thank you so very much for the support of Tibetan people all these years. And in the coming years to come, we need your support more than ever. As you know, the situation in Tibet has never been improved. It's in fact very unfortunate. The depression has never been so bad as it is now. Therefore, on this very joyous occasion, I do not want to dwell in the political, human situation in Tibet. Just simply thank you so very much, His Holiness, for being there for us. And we are grateful and fortunate to be alive, to be in the presence of someone who is one of the greatest leaders of the world today. Thank you, Your Holiness, and thank you very much.
Ajit Shambhala Tujana, thank you Ajit Shambhala for your kind word. DJ la ngazo kare mimang sama ya gogo sinis tu ngazo samsu dangai chera, andi ni sama sama gogo suro chia. Next, we're gonna do the sangfil. We're gonna offer the sangfil. So I'm requesting all the audience to form a circle, and then we're gonna throw the tampa.
Soma ye sanje jaje, deshe la nanjo belo, koje la minje choge, modo zon deva chembe, 我这个怕气息呗，我这个上帝息，我这个自己办呗，我这个看所谓的，我这个大不的，我这个前面这些，我这个拉上这些，我这个拿手去的，我这个是这老人做，我这个面别扎也，我这个地心别也，我这个这家子也，我这个帮人家也，我这个给你弄也，我这个给我了个也，我这个这这帮也，我这个长这口，我这个弄啊这也，我这个姐姐我这这都说。我姐也把面来都在庙来，查那边面的些心的，他也有俺记性太淡的，你是家里有那些的，开外这里将俺的面所以随便那个记过了，跟着那3年我结过那人对我不的那些真的。将我点在这把里准备走。
Yeah. Thank you. 어디 주죠? 진짜 요 말해.
接受你比你妈当多，姐姐做爱你比你妈当多，姐姐冰山你比你妈当多，姐姐浪潮你比你妈当多，别让那姐姐抓你比你妈，别让那姐姐多能这比你妈。年年你和初恋人中，该来定定的是，你该来中人中，该来定定的是，姐姐中该来定的是，姐姐中该来定的是，姐姐中该来定的是，姐姐中该来定的是。姐姐说你比你妈当多，姐姐做你比你妈当多，姐姐冰山你比你妈当多，姐姐浪潮你比你妈当多，别让姐姐抓你比你妈，别让姐姐蹲着比你妈。年别了初恋人中，该来定定的是，你该来中人中，该来定定的是，姐姐中该来定的是，姐姐中该来定的是，姐姐中该来定的是，姐姐中该来定的是。姐姐中该来定的是，姐姐中该来定的是，姐姐中该来定的是 Happy birthday to you。
Lord 마을은 뭐지 구제 til로 땜바로
안에 다들 들어가서 돼 찍어라 방아 깨끼들이 뭐지 녀요래 안에 다는 뭐지 라듯이 남았던 딜이 남편께 여배나 안에 통수 매비던 나 페로나 안에 타다들 안에 저런 거스경과 지무초 안에 끝이 자타는 받을 땜비게 안에 다시 면대다 안에 시즌 냠도 녀도 요베게 안에 다시 때를 도메시 내가 남아lenje 참아라 투지체 안타라에 안타라 그소로 투자 나로 나고
마이 자웨라마 자와 댄진 장수 메롱아 지상라 산타의 내하소 자랑시는 강사 제wen전 지배